Duck, duck, quack. Or in this case, duck.
Hi, I'm Duck.
And I'm Sock.
The awesome Miss.
And in this episode, we are searching for Duck's missing sock.
Oh no! You're missing. Go away.
Okay.
This episode is going to be all about me because I'm the only one here. Because the sock is missing. So, I'm going to go search for the sock. OMG, it's the sock! I found it!
Do I look at the sock for you?
What's her name, idiot? Stalker! A sock! Sock! Sock!
Where is the sock? I can't find it anywhere. Let's go look over here. Is it up here? I don't see it.
Hi. Why don't you guys go travel with Duck? She's very sad after she lost her sock. So why don't you just sit in that lovely van and
until we find it.
Yes.
Bye, Duck.
See you in a little while, Duck.
Hey, since I saw a bird from the sock, they must be getting hurt.
Yeah, he must be.
Go ahead, kiss the camera. I guess no luck there.
Sorry, Duck.
Hey, what do you think the sock may be? With hints from the last video, maybe I'll find out. Well, subscribe now or comment to find out if you know where the sock is. Bye!
Bye!